The Enchanted Forest. A bedtime story just for you. Be sure to use the bedtime story playlist on the channel for back-to-back stories. Enjoy. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there existed a mystical place known as the Enchanted Forest. It was a place of wonder and magic, where the trees whispered secrets to the wind and the stars danced in the night sky. In the heart of the Enchanted Forest, there stood a magnificent oak tree, its branches reaching towards the heavens like outstretched arms. Underneath its sprawling canopy, a small clearing emerged, bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight. In this tranquil clearing, nestled among the wild flowers and ferns, lived a family of woodland creatures. There was wise old Owl, with his keen eyes and sage advice, and mischievous Squirrel, who loved to play among the branches. But the heart of the forest belonged to a gentle fawn named Luna. With her coat of shimmering silver and eyes like pools of moonlight, Luna was beloved by all who knew her. One warm summer's night, as the fireflies danced around the clearing, Luna gathered her friends beneath the ancient oak tree. "I have a tale to tell," she whispered, her voice as soft as a summer breeze. And so, with the stars as their audience and the moon as their spotlight, Luna began to weave a story of bravery, friendship, and magic. She spoke of a brave knight who journeyed through dark forests and treacherous mountains in search of a long-lost treasure. Along the way, he encountered wise wizards, mischievous fairies, and fearsome dragons, each with their own part to play in his epic quest. As Luna's tale unfolded, the forest came alive with the magic of storytelling. The trees leaned in closer, the stars shone brighter, and even the moon seemed to listen intently. And when Luna finally reached the end of her story, a hush fell over the clearing, as if the very air itself held its breath in anticipation. With a smile, Luna bid her friends good night, their hearts full of wonder and dreams of adventures yet to come. And so, as the stars twinkled overhead and the nightingale sang her lullaby, the creatures of the Enchanted Forest drifted off to sleep, wrapped in the warmth of friendship and the magic of dreams. The end.